Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I will tell you that how you can download Facebook videos in just few clicks. So let's first of all click on Facebook application.
And Christianity says that
Suppose this is the video that I want to download. First of all click on these three dotted lines and click on copy link
Prophet
so that now the link has been copied. Now minimize it and come to Chrome browser and in search bar write Facebook down, FB down and click on the first icon. Here you have to paste the link, paste it and click on download. Wait for a few seconds. Now here you can see that there are two options, download video in normal quality and download video in HD quality. Based on your requirements you can select. For example, here I click on normal quality as I have already downloaded it, but I will download it again. Okay, click on details. Downloading has been started and it is being downloaded. Let it download. So this is how you can download Facebook videos in just few clicks. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, then click on like button and hit subscribe my channel. And I will see you in the next video. The next video is about how you can download Facebook private videos. You can check in description. See you.